Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I am coming on with another hashtag Inspired Challenge 2026. And we are in May already, which is just insane to me. And I hope you've been following along. And if you have, please leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite has been so far. And now all of a sudden I hear my husband hammering on something. So I apologize if you hear that banging in the background. I thought we were good to go, but apparently not. So I'm just going to forge ahead unless it just gets too ridiculous. This month was my month, and I picked the decorative paper clips with sleeve and dangle video that was done by Attic Lane. And I will put a link to Attic Lane's tutorial below. So cute. I fell in love with these. I couldn't wait to make them. And so I took first my big giant paper clips. Anybody else have these giant paper clips around? And I thought, I'm going to use those. And I'm so glad I did. So you basically just make a sleeve to go over. And then I, of course, shabbied it up. And then I hung a dangle off the bottom. And I just think it's so cute. So this will just slip over. Do I have something? Yes, I have an envelope right here. So you can just slip it over a page or an envelope. And it just is so stinking cute. So I love how these turned out. This was so fun to do. This challenge has been so fun. As a matter of fact, I have decided that I'm going to try all the things that I've been collecting in my Give It a Try playlist. So I have been doing a lot of crafting just from that. And it's just been so fun. So I made that one. So pretty. And then I made a couple more big ones. I made this guy. And this one I just hung a bulb pin off the bottom. So cute. I just think these are so stinking adorable. And as you can see, I've got my favorite lace leaves from Angel Dream Crafts right there. And this came off of one of her laces also. So cute. And I just tied some seam binding on the top of that, some crinkly seam binding. And then I created this one that I think is so cute. This is one of those charms from Hobby Lobby. I love these. And then this is that sequin fabric from Angel Dream Crafts I love. And then I have a bunch of these little tiny rosettes. It came in like a fabric strip of these tiny rosettes that I've had for years. And I keep cutting up the little flowers off because I think it's so cute. And I will be sad when it's gone. So I must find more of that because that I think is so sweet. And this just has some sari silk on the top. So I had so much fun with the big ones. I decided we'd try some smaller ones. So this is still like a big paper clip, but it's not this big. You know what I mean? Like in the realm of regular paper clips, this is like a large paper clip. So you just make the sleeve and then you decorate it up, and I think it's so cute. Let me see if I can get that charm the right way. I put some of this fuzzy pink fiber that I just love hanging off the top of it, and then this really cute charm I'm sure I got at Hobby Lobby with some lace on there. And I used up my scrap paper for this, so this was a great way to use up some scraps. And then look at how cute. Just how cute that will be hanging in a journal. Adorable. Oh, flip around there so you can see how sparkly you are. So cute. So there is that one. So yes, this is like a great scrap buster project. So cute. And there is this one. Isn't that sweet? I still think I might put something in the middle just because it drives me crazy not to have something in the middle. I don't know why. So I probably will do that. So there's another of that size. And then I did another. So I did kind of like 3 of each size. How cute is that charm though? All right, so there's that one. I think these were so sweet and they were really easy to make, and I had so much fun that I just couldn't stop myself. I need that to face the right way. Thank you. Then I decided I would go ahead and do some itty bitty ones. So look at So cute. So that bow needs something in the middle too, but this is one of those, just a little paper clip. I think it's so sweet, but look at how cute that'll be. Just popped in on a tag or a pocket even. Ah, adorable. Okay, so there is that little one. And then I did 3 of these also. So there's that one, just really simple. Simple and cute. And this one I love, just has a ribbon rose on it and this adorable heart charm. That's so cute. So I absolutely loved making these. So thank you, Attic Lane, for the tutorial, and thank you, Julie, for being such a good sport. And I can't wait to see Julie's interpretation of this video. So there's a link, of course, to Julie's channel below, Paper Play with Julie K. So pop over and see her version of the paper clip with sleeve and dangle. Just love. And then next month we will be doing her choice, but you'll have to wait and see what it is. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you guys are playing along and giving it a go. And don't forget to leave me a comment, and a thumbs up would be great too. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.